Welcome to 100 Days of Skills and Certification, a review program I do to analyze what I have benefited from the last 100 certifications I obtained studying online. And today is day number 13, so we are looking at a certificate I obtained from Great Learning Platform, which is on digital marketing strategy. Now, digital marketing has to do with the promotion of your products and services in an attempt to get clients and customers, in this case using digital means like online and social media platforms. So this is a very detailed course and I highly recommend it. I obtained this certificate in December 2022, and if you want to go for it, you can take time and check out the description of the video. You will see the details there, and follow me on all social media platforms. Our links are there, so that you can stay up to date with the different reviews I'll be doing for other certifications I've received within the last 12 months. Thank you so very much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.